Good morning, students. Welcome to the civics class. Today in this video tutorial, I will revise both chapters of civics, rural and urban administration. Students, the meaning of rural is related to village and the meaning of urban related to city. So, now, today I will revise the administration or important functions of village officials in village as well as city areas. So, in the village, to solve the conflicts among the people, role of police or importance of police is very much required. So, what are functions of police? How police solve the conflict in the society? Students, police register the cases regarding the conflicts, disputes among the people or farmers living in the village areas, investigate the cases, and they also guide the people to maintain respect for law. Then, police also provide safety and security in the society. Police also punish the criminals. Clear? So, in this way, we can say that the role of police or functions of police are very much required in the village areas. Because in the village areas, disputes or conflicts regarding the farms or you can say regarding the land can be. So, to solve the disputes among the people in the village areas, role of police is required. Then, second village official, that is Patwari. Patwari is also very important in the village areas. Who is Patwari? You know, Patwari is the person who is responsible for maintaining land records in the village areas. Land records. Land records means the records related to farms or areas or land of the farmers. When any dispute arises, then Patwari help the people to obtain the copy of their land. So, as well as he also update the records. Means whenever any farmer sell his farms, then he also update the land records. Then Patwari also collect land revenue from the people or from the farmers. Revenue means tax. And Patwari also provide information to the farmers regarding the government grants or concessions. In this way, Patwari act as a link between government and people living in the village areas. Here. Then, third important official is Tehsildar. Who is Tehsildar? Tehsildar is the head of Tehsil. Yes, students, our country is very vast and country is divided into states and states are further divided into districts and districts are further divided into tehsils. So, Tehsildar in the Tehsil, he acts as a link between the Patwaris and government. It means Tehsildar supervise the functions of Patwari. Tehsildar, he hears the disputes regarding land. And Tehsildar also help farmers to obtain the copy of their land or caste certificates. So in the Tehsil, Tehsildar act as important village or official to help the farmers or to help the people living in the Tehsil. Then next is Amendment Act of 2005. This Amendment Act passed in 2005 is called Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005. How this act helped women? Yes, students. Before 2005, women were not given property rights and it was very difficult for them. So after 2005, Government of India passed an amendment act named as Hindu Succession Amendment Act passed in 2005. According to this act, now women or girls or mothers, they have equal share in the property of their father. It means they have been provided legal property rights. Now, with the help of this right, women, they are now confident and it, it gives them financial independence also. So, this act is very beneficial for the women. Next is about the city administration. Students, for administration, cities are divided into wards. So, what is the meaning of ward? Ward means part of cities, means cities are divided into different parts or wards, and from each ward, councillors are elected. Okay? It means these councillors help the people to solve their local problems. And that's why this administration is also named as local self-government, because these councillors solve the problems of the people at local level or in their ward. Students, you should know the number of your ward and from your ward who is the counselor, who is the counselor from your ward, because whenever you will face any problem, then your problems can be solved with the contribution of your counselor. Then all the councillors elect their mayor, and the term of these councillors and mayor is 5 years. After 5 years, again the elections of councillor will be conducted and the new mayor will be elected and new councillors will be elected. So, to solve the problem at city level, municipal corporation, the main function of municipal corporation is to solve the problems at city level. So, how corporation works? All the members means councillor and mayor. They are the part of municipal corporation. In the small cities, municipal committees are there, and in the big cities, municipal corporation are there. So, municipal corporation act as a link between people and the government. How municipal corporation works? Municipal corporation is responsible for garbage collection in your city, cleaning and providing you safe drinking water, then electricity, then traffic control, then construction of hospitals, roads, buildings, provide education, to collect taxes also. So, municipal corporation, the sources of funds for municipal corporation are collection of taxes and government grants. So, in this way, in the village areas and in the cities, administration work. In the village areas, panchayats are there, and to maintain law and order, police act as a link. Then Patwari is responsible for updating and keeping land records, and Tehsildar is responsible in their tehsils. And in the cities, municipal corporation is responsible. Municipal corporation, functions of municipal corporations are very important. Students, so learn all the functions of different officials. Thank you.